Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display assembly on a Dell Precision 15 version 3510. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First loosen screws, then use fingers to separate and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Now disconnect and remove wireless card. Then unscrew bracket and disconnect display cable. Next, unscrew and slide off hinge covers. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.